The one and only service organization is the Department of Homeopathy, exists for the social, cultural and material well-being of the medical officers community. It has a long history way back since 1963. Late Dr. K.S. Prakashan was the founder president and late Dr. K.S. George served as the founder. Dr. K. Pidampara Panikar, Dr. K.J. Mathai and Dr. Ismail Seth served this mighty organization as office bearers. After a setback of a few years, with Dr. Keshavan Nayak and Dr. P.A. Philippos as President and General Secretary respectively. In the year 1986, late Dr. Thomas A. Kurula took the charge of the General Secretary and later became the State President 3 to 2001. During his term, Dr. N. Sabu, Dr. V. N. Nazaruddin, Dr. D. Ajayan, Dr. G. Shivramakrishnan served the association as General Secretaries. He was succeeded by Dr. G. Prasannacharya. Honorable President Dr. Shivramakrishnan, with his crew, has been successful in attracting the members to this historic event. Congratulations to the crew for the splendid arrangements. Thank you.
Dr. J. Goban, please. Dr. M. Premachandran, the chairman of the training cell, who himself is an excellent trainer, having placed his hands on many areas of various therapies, who is a mentor of the new project, Ayushman Bhavan. You are invited to the stage, sir.
Next comes Dr. B. Vijay Kumar, State Treasurer, in whose hands our treasurer remains safe. Dr. B. Vijay Kumar, please. Running hitherto with his high energy level, who proved not only as a good joint secretary but also as the best ever conference secretary. Friends, give him a loud round of applause.
Dr. M. S. Masani, a triumphant General Secretary who achieved great laurels to the association by its skills and negotiating capacity. You are invited to the stage, sir.
Dr. Shripuji Cherian, the State Vice President and the Conference President as well, who is the proud host of this majestic function.
Dr. R. Sunil Raj, Vice President, who is the owner of a magnanimous personality, who is apparently efficient.
Hold any post or responsibility if it is bestowed to him, who is honored with for his best performance in the past years with the first Dr. Thomas A. Kurula Memorial Excellence Award. He is invited to the dais with a huge round of applause.
And at last, our most dynamic leader, please give a loud round of applause.
നമ്മുടെ മീറ്റിംഗ് ആരംഭിക്കുന്നതിന് മുമ്പായിട്ട് നമ്മൾക്കൊരു മനോഹരമായ ഗാനം കേൾക്കാം.
കേരളം കേളികൊട്ടുണരുന്ന കേരളം കേളികദംബം തൂക്കും കേരളം കേരകേളി സദനമാവിൻ കേരളം 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 കേളികൊട്ടുണരുന്ന കേരളം കേളികദംബം തൂക്കും കേരളം കേരകേളി സദനമാവിൻ കേരളം. പൂവണിക്കൊന്നും ചിങ്ങ പൂവിളി കേട്ടു പൂക്കളങ്ങളാടും ആടും കേരളം കേരളം കേളികൊട്ടുണരുന്ന കേരളം കേളി കദംബം തൂക്കും കേരളം കേരളി സദനാവിൻ കേരളം
The meeting in connection with the first delegate session of 26th State Conference of KJHMOA is hereby called to order.